In the school, I like everything the most.
We can talk freely to teachers.
Extracurricular activity and study wise, I like both.
I should say I really thank the school because they have done so much for my daughter.
This school is one of the main backbone which motivated me to do what I wanted to do and not what others told me to do.
என்னோட வாழ்க்கையே 2005-2006 தான் டேர்ன் ஓவர் ஆச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக ஸ்டெப் பை ஸ்டெப்பாக வந்து இப்போ நான் வந்து டெவலப்மெண்ட் ஆஃபீஸர் ஆகிருக்கேன்னா சத்தியமாக 100% சங்கல்ப்னால மட்டும்தான்.
My kids are my real teachers. I learn from them every single day.
When we talk about Sankalp, it's a family, coming together and supporting these children and working towards a cause.
These children are unique in their own way. So when they come to us, either referred by schools or by psychologists, they are sent to us for help. So we work on his ability more than his disability.
See, every day I could see many parents getting into the school with lots of question marks on their face. And that's the reason we started this Sankalp Parents Association.
நிறைய வந்து அவேர்னஸ் ப்ரோக்ராம், அப்புறம் வந்து மதர்ஸ்க்கு வந்து ஒரு அவுட்லெட் மாதிரி சில காம்படிஷன்ஸ் பண்ணுறது, அப்புறம் கவர்மெண்ட்லேருந்து கன்செஷன்ஸ் வந்து அவைல் பண்ணுறது, அந்த மாதிரி சின்ன சின்ன ஒர்க் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருந்தோம்.
This show is helpful to me because all we siblings interact with each other, and my brother gets a good feeling here.
We even have to think of what happens to them at a later stage. We have grown with the children. The children are now 17, 18.
But many of them are not able to enter a regular college. So we are looking at alternative careers. Besides, their self-esteem is very low because they don't have any friends, they don't have any kind of lifestyle that normal teenagers have. So this would be a platform where they could come share their experiences with people of similar backgrounds.
Sankalp Sahayika is a simulated, structured, curriculum-based intervention. The various models are home-based employment, neighborhood initiative, job works, joining the family enterprise. And the main part we are focusing on is to empower the mothers as well.
நார்மலி இப்போ ஸ்கூல்ஸ் காலேஜஸில் பசங்க அவங்களோட கோர்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணும்போது ஏதோ ஒரு இதுக்காக குவாலிஃபை ஆகிட்டு வெளியில் போகிறாங்க. அதே மாதிரி சேம் பேட்டர்ன் ஸ்பெஷல் ஸ்கூலில் ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச சங்கல்பில் ஒரு எம்ப்ளாய்மெண்ட் ரெடியாக இருக்கிற மாதிரி மதர்ஸையும் இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணி இந்த இனிஷியேட்டிவ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணது பெரிய ஹெல்ப்பு. ஸோ மச் தேங்க்ஸ் டு சங்கல்ப்.
The economic independence is very much focused because all our needs are coming from the society and the community. When the needs are coming into the community, nobody looks at our status or our disability. Everybody has got a right to enjoy from the community and the society. At the same time, they have a right to give back to the community and the society.
When we talk about inclusion, and not only mainstreaming children into the various schools, but we have been able to bring about that movement of inclusion because the entire community has helped, whether it is teachers, whether it is caregivers, people who have sponsored fees, they have been sponsoring equipments. There's a long list. I think because it is for Sankalp or it is for our children, I would say that is inclusion. It is the community which comes forward and helps.
What next is what we need to think about this journey that we started. A refocus in the area of inclusive growth is what we are really looking at. Social inclusion of our children and parents should be the driving force. How do we do this? Get more people involved from all walks of mainstream life to interact with our children and parents. We are even wondering whether the genesis of this could be through Human Resources Department by way of their CSR projects. This endeavor could certainly build a community of responsible, sensitive individuals, paving the way for self-development and encompassing uniqueness and differences in all.
Specifically in the area of music, we have interacted with them through a student of mine, Abhinaya Shanbagarad,
And a few things that I personally tried during the music festival, we took a group of autistic children to a public open concert, and just to try out and give them the experience. We were really surprised that I think the children took to the atmosphere, they sat down, and I think they enjoyed the concert very much.
So I think at Sankalp they go really a far way to see how they can bring other things into the lives of these children. And I'm often very jealous of these kids because the amount of focus they have, the honest intent they have is something that we need to really learn from. And in this whole journey of sharing the music with them, I can't tell you how much my students and I have learned in the process.
Ubuntu in African tribal language means, how can one be happy when the others are sad? I am because we are.
That's why I think that if everybody could participate in this and take a little bit out of their time to be able to share something beautiful, and I think it's extremely important for all of us to do it.
Like a lotus, the lotus stood in golden flower, like a kite that flies to the silvery moon. When a new moon lies, we hope and along. When the airplane play along the way, you will be alive, we will fall as a cloud. Hear the sound of the patiently. You will be alive, we'll be fall as a cloud. We are the children of the golden sun.